What's going on, folks? Nate here at Tool Dyno Works. Today we're back on the dyno with our 26 Yamaha R7 doing even more exhaust-specific testing and tuning, and today we're going to show you guys one of my personal favorites for these Yamaha CP2s. We've got the full Yoshimura exhaust system here on our R7 today, specifically the most up-to-date version of their AT2, and it performs and sounds fantastic on these bikes. For over a decade now, the full Yoshimura exhaust systems have been fantastic on all of these Yamaha CP2s, and the latest AT2 for these R7s is no exception. From just an exhaust design standpoint, it's got everything you could want on one of these bikes. As I mentioned in our prior testing and tuning video on the Acura, it has a crossover tube between the head pipes. It's also got a very large mid-pipe and collector, and a badass and sounding looking muffler. Now, before we dive into the specific performance improvements that the Yoshimura AT2 provides, let's just quickly recap where this bike started in 100% bone stock trim and what it's capable of doing with just our custom ECU mapping in place for the stock exhaust system. That way we've got something that we can actually compare the improvements that the Yoshimura provides on these bikes. So the red lines there on your screen are the horsepower and torque curve of this bike in 100% bone stock trim once we are done breaking it in on our dyno. It put down 66.8 horsepower and 46 pound-feet of torque. Now there is all sorts of nonsense in the stock OEM ECU mapping for these bikes that I'm not going to touch on in this video because I've already covered it in depth in our prior testing and tuning videos. So if you have not yet seen those, definitely go watch them. Now at wide open throttle, with our tuning in place, you do still see some performance improvements with no physical changes made to the bike whatsoever. Power comes up to about 69.25 horse, and torque comes up to about 48 at the peak, with significant gains throughout the entirety of the rev range. So now that we've finished recapping what the bike's capable of in stock trim, with the stock exhaust and intake cell on the bike, let's go ahead now and compare it to the results of what we've been able to accomplish with the Yoshimura full exhaust installed on our R7. The green lines there that I've overlaid on this graph are the horsepower and torque curves of the bike as it sits right now behind me with the full Yoshimura AT2 installed and our custom ECU mapping in place for the airflow characteristics that it creates. Everywhere above 3,500 RPM, with this exhaust installed, you've got nothing but improvements over stock. It simply flows massively more air throughout the entirety of the rev range than the stock system ever could. Peak output's now 72.5 horsepower, and peak torque is 50.5 pound-feet, where you can see that there is a big flat hump of torque between 5,000 and 7,000 RPM before slowly dropping off after 7,500 RPM, which is typical with any aftermarket exhaust system on these bikes. But what is unique to one of the design elements of the full Yoshimura exhaust system for these bikes is the torque that they create between about 4,000 and 7,000 RPM. Which on any of these Yamaha CP2 platforms is where you spend a lot of time riding these bikes, right there in the mid-range. To really highlight what I'm talking about here, let's take a look at this graph. The green line is the Yoshimura as it sits on our bike right now with our tuning in place. The red line is the full Acura Racing exhaust system, the high mount one, that we just covered in our prior testing and tuning video. As you can see, the Yoshimura exhaust simply makes more power and torque in the mid-range than something like the Acura, and that is due to the diameter of the collector and mid-pipe that Yoshimura uses on these systems. Yes, there's a very small difference in performance right there from about, it's really 2,500 RPM to about 3,500 RPM, but you're almost never down there. Where you're primarily riding these bikes is right here, and it simply makes more torque than many of the other systems out there on the market due to their design elements. Now, it doesn't flow quite as well at the very, very, very top end of the rev range, so like 8,500 RPM to the limiter, as something like the Acura full racing system. But where most people spend most time riding these bikes, these Yoshimura systems are a fantastic choice if you're looking to purchase a new exhaust for your R7. Now, regardless of what exhaust system you decide to put on your bike, we've got custom ECU mapping built for every intake and exhaust setup imaginable on these Yamaha CP2s, including for the new 26R7. So, if you want to get our custom ECU mapping flash into your bike's ECU, head over to tooldynoworks.com, purchase our mail-in ECU flashing service on our website, ship us your ECU, and we'll get it flashed and shipped right back to you the very same day we receive it. Now, we're still going to be covering a couple more exhaust systems before we move on to the intake side of the equation and begin the testing and tuning process on the airboxes for these bikes, because there are significant performance improvements on that side of the airflow equation as well. But I want to cover a couple more systems before we do that first, because as I've shown you here, there are design changes and elements that are different from one exhaust system to another for these Yamaha CP2s that do have some impact on the power delivery and the torque curve for these bikes. So once we cover just a couple more, we'll be able to show you guys all of the design elements that really matter for an exhaust system on this platform, and then you can make an educated decision for yourself before spending money on one of the pipes versus another for your specific bike. So if you've already got one of these new R7s, or you've got any of the other Yamaha CP2 powered bikes out there on the market, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us along on Facebook, where we'll be sure to share all of the testing and tuning that we're going to be going through on our new bike. And as always, if you have any questions about intakes, exhausts, tuning, whatever it is on these bikes, or any of the other Yamaha CP2 powered platforms, do not hesitate to email us at support@tooldinoworks.com. Both myself and my staff are beyond intimately familiar with these bikes, having flashed thousands and thousands of them in the last decade, and we are always happy to help.